So recently, we've seen the rise of YouTube Shorts and how to make money using YouTube Shorts by creating these very simple videos in a variety of different niches. I've also spoken about TikTok and how people are using it to drive views to potentially YouTube Shorts so that people can make a lot of money online. But did you know that there is another huge player in the short video industry where you can get tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of views? In this video today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do what these channels are doing so that you can make a lot of money online through all these different types of videos and make money with affiliate marketing. So on this video today, I'm going to show you a very simple way that you can create these videos without showing your face, and combining this with YouTube Shorts, with Instagram Reels, and TikTok if you want to triple down and make some serious money online. So if you want to get started and make really good money, make sure you watch this entire video. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. Today, guys, I want to show you how you can use Instagram on top of YouTube Shorts and TikTok using Instagram Reels to get a lot of traffic. I'm going to show you a niche today that you can start with, which is very simple. More importantly, I want to show you what software you're going to use that is absolutely for free to create these reels. Let me show you a few examples of some of the channels that are doing this. Take a look at this channel over here. Now this is just an example niche because this is really simple, but I want to show you the difference between the amount of views that you get from your Instagram post and Instagram Reels. And this is what I want to show you: the power of these reels and how you can combine these with TikTok if you want to, and even YouTube Shorts so that you can make even more money online. Now I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Once you come over to Instagram and you create an account for yourself, whether you do it first with YouTube Shorts, TikTok, or Instagram, it doesn't matter. You'll want to integrate all three, and I'll show you exactly how to do that because you can do the exact same thing with a TikTok. Now I know some people don't have TikTok available, but I know that you've got Instagram and I know that you have YouTube. So once you integrate whether 2 or 3 of these platforms, what you want to do is you want to double down or triple down and drive even more traffic to your affiliate links and to each other's platform. So you want to drive traffic from Instagram to YouTube, YouTube to Instagram, TikTok to YouTube, and YouTube to TikTok, and vice versa. Try to grow all these 3 platforms because people use different platforms. When you come over to TikTok, for example, you can see that people are doing the exact same thing in this niche, and you can do this in any niche. It doesn't matter, guys, and as you can see, TikTok people have got tens of thousands of followers and hundreds of thousands of likes, and all these very simple videos. The ultimate goal, guys, is to end up on YouTube. What you want to do on YouTube is you also want to get your YouTube account monetized. Because as you can see, these accounts over here in these YouTube channels get tens of thousands of views that ultimately lead to tens of thousands of views dollars every single month. What I want to show you right now on this video is how you're going to create one of these very simple videos. Now the first thing that you need with one of these videos is the quotes. I'm going to show you an example. I'm going to play one of these videos, then I'll show you how to create one. So let's just play this one over here very quickly. As you can see, it's just scenery, guys, and text over the top, and that's it. It doesn't get much easier than this. Now the good thing about Instagram Reels is they're about 1 minute long, exactly like TikTok. YouTube is 1 minute as well. So you create the video once and you post it up on 3 different platforms. What you want to do, there's a site over here called BrainyQuote.com. You can come over here, and as you can see, you've got different types of popular topics. You've got inspirational, positive, motivational, wisdom, love, and friendship. If you were to click on love as an example, what that's going to do is it's going to give you all these different types of quotes over here that you can use in any one of these different types of simple reels. The other thing that you can do is you can come over to Google and just type in best relationship quotes. And then you can come over here and you can find all these different types of quotes. Now what we'll do is we'll actually use this one over here, and I'll show you how you can create a very simple Instagram reel that you can then upload on YouTube Shorts and other platforms. And I'm going to show you where you're going to get an offer to make money online with affiliate marketing on the back of these different and small video clips. The site that you want to use, guys, that's absolutely free is Canva.com. Now, I've spoken about Canva with TikTok videos, but did you know that you can use Canva with Instagram Reels? all you need to do is come over here in the search engine and type in Instagram Reels, and once you do that, it's going to show you this Instagram Reels video. Once you click onto it, it's going to bring you over to a page that looks like this. Now from here, all you need to do is you can come over here and just click on Create a Blank Instagram Reel Video. Or you can come over here and choose one of these different types of backgrounds. What we'll do is we're just going to click onto this for now. And what this is going to do is it's going to bring us over to this page. Now I'm also going to show you how you're going to add audio to this, which is really important. When you scroll down over here, what we're essentially looking for is something similar. You can see this over here that looks like scenery. When you scroll down over here, you can find all these different templates. Here's one over here that we can use. It looks like a scenery background, and if you scroll down, you can find a lot more. Now when you look at these guys, if you see this little crown that says Pro, that means that it's paid, so you can't use that. Well, you don't want to use that because it's paid, but here's another one over here that is absolutely free. So I'm going to show you how to loop this as well. Let's say we wanted to use this one over here. We're just going to delete the other elements in this template. Now we'll need to loop this. All you need to do is come over here and hit this plus page over here. As you can see, it's going to do that click on this over here. It's going to create the third scene. Now this is where we are going to create the text we want over here, but we also want to add some audio as well. Now to add audio, what you need to do is come over here and see this audio tab. You want to click onto audio, then you're going to find all these different types of audio clips and you can click onto it to see all. You can also choose what niche and what different types of topics they have. Let's say we wanted to use this morning snowflake. If I click on this over here, you can see that this type of audio fits in perfectly with what we want. Now once this plays, it's going to play right through, so it's going to be one nice audio straight through all these different clips. What we want to do from here is we need to add the different types of text on here. Now just before we add the text in here that we're going to copy from one of those memes, you can see here that the time over here is 1 minute and 15 seconds. What we want to do is we want to bring that down to under a minute. All you need to do is come over here to the third scene. Over here, and then just click and you can come over here. And then all you need to do is slide this back. If we slide that to here, if we come over here, you can see now it's exactly 1 minute. And you can make it maybe just a little bit shorter so you know it's under 1 minute, and then that's it. Now you can see that this entire clip is 59 seconds long. What we want to do now is we want to use that Google image that we found. What we want to do is we want to put this inside the clip that we're going to create over here, but we want to put maybe the first 2 sentences separately, then the third sentence and the fourth sentence, so that people continue to watch. What you want to do is you want to come over here to the first one. Just go over here to text and then select this heading over here. Once you select that, all you need to do is just double click onto it, delete that, and just type the first sentences. Then what you want to do is just make this white. Basically, what's going to happen is you're going to be able to see this in the first scene and do that in the succeeding scenes. This is how simple it is. All you need to do from here is download this to your computer. And then you can get this uploaded to TikTok, to YouTube Shorts, and you can even get it uploaded to your Instagram Reels. But what you want to do on the back of all these different types of videos that you're creating, guys, is you want to add links. The best way to do these, guys, is to use something called Linktree. And what you can do is you can put this link inside your Instagram profile, TikTok, and even YouTube. Basically, what happens when you sign up for one of these accounts is you have the opportunity to promote different types of things inside those links. What you can do when you create one of these is quite simply come over here and click on Add New Link. Now, you can add a few of these links, and what you want to do is you want to share your Instagram account, your TikTok, and your YouTube account. And if you want, you can also promote an offer that relates to a product. I'm going to show you exactly where you can get that. And all you need to do, guys, is come over here and add the title. Then from there, you want to add one of these different types of products to promote. To do that, all you need to do is come over to websites like clickbank.com or Digistore24. Once you create those accounts, for example, in this instance, we're looking at the relationship niche. If you scroll down over here and you take a look at, for example, self-help, you click on self-help. You can see that you've got all these different types of accounts over here that you can find in the relationship niche. But you can also scroll down over here and you can see that you've got dating guides as well. If you were to choose dating guides, for example, you can find over here products that are selling for as much as $80. And all you'll need to do is click on promote. Grab this affiliate link over here, copy that, and come over here to your Linktree profile over here. And very easily just paste that URL in here. That is how simple it is to create an affiliate link. And when somebody clicks onto your link, whether it's in your YouTube channel, Instagram reel, or TikTok profile, you're going to make money through your affiliate sales. That's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.